Hey friends, welcome back to this new video. In this video, I'm gonna share you my experience of using Premiere Pro as an editing tool and shifting from Premiere Pro to Canva, and how effortlessly Canva can help you to learn video editing. If you are a starting YouTuber, using Premiere Pro can be frustrating at times because you struggle with basic tools. If you are using Premiere Pro, you have to be a real expert. In this video, I'll show you how we can remove the background and even replace the background with something else. So once you learn this technique, you will be able to shoot your videos in any background and replace them. In this video, you'll notice some rough edges on the remove background, but if you can shoot your videos in green background, you can easily remove all the parts of the background and replace with anything you want. So let's see how we can do this. Friends, welcome back to this new video. In this video, I'm gonna Friends, welcome back to this new video. In this video, So let's see how we can do this. So in this video, we'll see how we can remove the background and replace. So let's choose a sample video. So I'll click on this. You can see there are some colorings, and there is a curtain, and it's a sofa, and the background looks messy. Just click on this video and click edit and click on background remover. Now the background is removed. Once you have removed the background, click on elements, and for example, if you want to set up a studio background, then type in studio. So let's say we want to put this setup. So this is studio. You click on the studio setup, click on the layer and send it backwards. If you drag your picture a little bit down and play it, looks like that. So in this way, you can edit videos and replace the background. If you like this video and you found this editing tool easier than Premiere Pro, if you want to sign up for free version of Canva, you can click the link in the description below and start using Canva. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.